If you can do everything I'm going to tell you right now on this video, then get ready to say a goodbye to reuse content strike and get ready to monetize your YouTube channel again. But before we get into it, I want you to do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, because I want you to get notified whenever I drop a new video. One thing is for sure, right? You don't even know the content on your YouTube channel that is causing reuse content in your channel, right? This is the big problem. First thing to do is, how do you identify the particular content that is causing reuse content in your YouTube channel? That's the first thing, right? So how do you do this? Listen up. In your channel, there is so many videos that you made and there is so many videos that you did not make. Some of you go on TikTok, you copy video. You go on Instagram, you copy videos. You go on YouTube right here, you copy videos, right? And you put it on your channel. And you do a little bit of editing in your phone and you put it on your channel, right? These contents are considered reused content. So YouTube doesn't tell you the particular content in your YouTube channel that is actually reused content. That's where it gets crazy. So I think, in my own opinion, that the people that are reviewing our channel and giving us this, reused content strike should be able to tell us this video, that video, this video is the reason why we have reused content in our channel. Because when we know all this, we can be able to go straight forward and remove those videos causing this reused content, and we won't have problem. You get what I'm saying? So this is crazy. Now you have to identify that reused content. That's the problem. Now, the second thing you also need to do, you don't need to remove this content after you have identified it. You don't need to remove it before the day you reapply. So in the past, you will be able to reapply after 30 days, right? But right now you have to wait 90 days. So when I had reused content on my main channel, right? I had it twice on my main channel. That's where I got all this knowledge from. So when I had it, I only had 30 days to reapply, and when I reapplied, they accepted me, right? So the thing that you have to make sure you do, you don't remove these contents from your channel before the day you reapply, because if you do that, you are going to lose all your watch hours on your YouTube channel, and you don't want to do that, right? So that's where I come in. If you want me to personally review your channel for this reuse content issue, because I know that some of you had 5,000 videos uploaded in your channel, so you don't even know the particular videos that are causing reuse content in your channel, well, that's what I do. Like, I have helped over 300 people on this YouTube channel to overcome reuse content, and 99.9% of them overcame this problem with my help. So all you have to do right now, go hit me up on Instagram. The link of my Instagram page will be on description. Hit me up on Instagram. Let me know so I can personally review your channel, work with you for you to overcome this reuse content, because you need to make some cash from YouTube. And for you to do this, you need to get rid of this reuse content from your channel. But remember, please, reviewing of channel is not free. I collect a channel review tip. I don't charge you a big amount of money, right? But I just collect a tip because it actually takes me a lot of time to make sure that your YouTube channel gets rid of reused content, right? But if you can't be able to do that, you can go and watch my previous videos. Go check it out. If you watch it, you can be able to get so many information about how you can be able to identify these particular videos causing reuse content in your channel. All you have to do, go to my previous videos, look for videos about reuse content, because so many people have also gotten monetized again by only watching my videos without reaching out to me. So it's still possible, right? Thanks for watching. Let me know any other question you have, comment below. I'll be able to reply you all, man. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Catch you guys later.